I'm Dr. Grace Carol Pibelchan, your dermatologist, dermatologic and aesthetic surgeon, your genitologist, and obesity resource person. Ang topic pa rin po natin ngayon ay acne, no? I am going to discuss some treatment that are being used for acne, but this is a very special drug that only dermatologists that is fully trained should be using, no? Hindi pwede na hindi alam ng mga tao na nagbibigay sa inyo itong klaseng gamot na to kasi may mga side effects siya. So, ang tawag ko po dito ay yung isotretinoin, no? Before sa KMJS naging guest ako at nabanggit doon na binibigay yung isotretinoin. Ang isotretinoin ay isang gamot na dating ginagamit as an immunosuppressive. Ibig sabihin for cancer patients, no? Pero they found out later na it is also a good treatment for acne, pero depende sa klase ng acne. So, pag severe yung acne mo, yung cystic acne, yung bukol-bukol na talagang marami ng nana, nagpipigsana, ganun, marami ng butas-butas, then this would be a good treatment option, no? Kasi it hits the pathology of acne on all aspects. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng pwedeng mag-trigger ng acne, sakop niya at pinahihinto niya. Kaya magandang gamot ito. Kaya nga lamang ay it is a very dangerous drug, kaya it should be given by experts only. Ano po bang mga side effect nito? Well, sa mga kabataan, ang common side effect nito, mga pasyente, lahat ng mga pasyente magkakaroon ng dry lips. Okay? That is 100%. Ngayon, kung medyo bata ka pa, sabihin na natin mga teenager, ang kadalasan na side effect nila, bone pain. No? Kasi bakit nagkakaroon ng bone pain? Kasi ang effect ng isotretinoin ay nagkakaroon ng demineralization of the bone. No? Ibig sabihin, nababawasan yung minerals ng bone kaya lumalambot yung buto. Kaya kung minsan sumasakit yung mga buto-buto, lalo na yung mga batang nagde-develop pa lang yung kanilang bone. Pangalawa, it can also cause headache. No? I had one patient who had one or two patients who had severe headache, but the other one is a doctor and did not stop the medication at it also disappeared, no? Kanya-kanya, yung isa nagpe-persist kaya I have to stop the medication. Meron namang mga pasyente na nakakaroon ng hair fall, no? Pagka hair fall, syempre nakakatakot yung baka makalbo ka. Kaya dapat talaga nire-regulate ang paggamit nito. And according to signs and symptoms, no? Kailangan pag nakakakita ka na ng mga unwanted side effects, you have to consult or go back to your dermatologist who gave it to you. At kailangan magaling talaga yung dermatologist mo kasi kung hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin. And it can also cause depression, no? I had one patient in my 33 years who had depression and he is of a Japanese descent, no? Ayan. Tapos ano pa? It can also cause toxicity, parang vitamin A toxicity, no? Pwede ka magkaroon ng fever, ayan, headache, dry skin. Dry skin is very common. Buong katawan nagda-dry kasi nga ina-atrophy niya yung sebaceous gland mo. Tapos pwede din siya magkaroon ng mouth sores, mga singaw, mga eyesight changes, no? Meron parang nagbe-blurring of vision. That is very important, no? Kailangan talaga paalamin mo sa doktor mo na nagkakaroon ka ng ganun. Otherwise, baka mabulag ka, no? So, and then it can also cause dizziness, drowsiness, insomnia, yung di nakakatulog, at saka anxiety. Ayan. So far, yung mga nabanggit ko, yun lang naman yung mga very minimal lang, very little number of patients had these side effects, no? Siguro in my 33 years of practice, mga 10 pasyente lang ang nagkaroon ng side effect na na-solve naman at wala naman naging problema. Kaya kailangan talaga, magaling talaga yung doktor mo na nagbibigay nito. Yung headache, it could be a sign of cranial problem. So, fluid sa brain. Kaya yung tumataas yung pressure ng CSF mo sa brain, kaya kailangan i-consult mo agad dito sa dermatologist mo. Tapos meron din tayong mga blood clots, which is very dangerous kasi it could lead to pulmonary edema and it could cause death, no? At meron din tayong acute pancreatitis na nangyayari, pero itong dalawang to, I've never encountered any patients who had this in my 33 years of practice. So, yun po, kung kayo po ay may tanong, no, about this drug, you can just get in touch through my numbers, and please like, follow, and share my account.